There's nothing like it, not like the way you.
But I'm packing up and organizing some things right now, and I've had these boxes sitting down here in my basement for probably 3 or 4 months now. I opened this box. I'm really trying to pull it together right now, and I found that this dress was literally at like the top of the box, and this dress actually brings me so much like peace and comfort, because the memory that me and Liam had in this dress was just a memory that I'll literally just never forget. And we went to this beautiful wedding. It was my very first wedding that I've ever attended, and oh my God, we just had the best time. And I remember the next morning, I woke up and I said to Liam, oh my God, look at my shoes, they're so ruined.
You know, I can try, but I can't hide it from you.